Hey, what is going on, guys? Hobby Nerd here, back with another small series of videos for you guys. Today we're going to start off by unboxing the Arceus box from the Mythical collections. It came out in August this month. And then from there we're going to move on to Steam Siege. We got the two blister packs here, the Rayquaza and the Azo. Then from there, we're going to be opening the Steam Siege Elite Trainer box. And then we're going to be moving on to the booster box. I've already unboxed the booster box on camera. I just haven't posted it yet. I'm going to post that one after all these are done. So without further ado, let's just get started with this Arceus box. So in this mythical box, starting off we got the Arceus promo card. Just pretty cool looking. So we have the Arceus pin. And then it has the little poster that comes in every one for the checklist for the Mythical collection. Also comes with the promo card and 2 Generations booster packs. Let me go ahead and clear this plastic out of the way. Sorry about any of the noise. Alright. Let's save Pikachu for last. Let's start with the Venusaur pack. Alright, hopefully you got some luck in this pack. You got a Charmeleon, Cloyster, Clefable, Slowpoke, Machop, Paris, Fire Energy. Our reverse is a Clefable. Wow. Another Flareon EX. These guys are popping up everywhere. For the final card, wow. So we got a double EX. We got one from Radiant Collections, which is the Flareon Full Art. And then the Meowstic regular EX. So we got 2 EXs in one pack. It's really nice. Should have saved that pack for last. This one's probably just going to be a regular rare, but that's okay. Starting off, we got a Chikorita, Clefable, Machoke, Tangela, Rhyhorn, Psychic Energy, Diglett. A reverse is a Tauros, and that's going to be a reverse rare. And then for Radiant, we got a Swirlix. And last but not least, we have a Dugtrio, regular rare. Alright, so in this box, just a small recap. We have the Arceus promo card, Tauros reverse rare, Meowstic EX, and then the Flareon EX Full Art from Radiant Collections. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos. Have a good one.